Hurry up, he's getting closer.
I'm trying.
Got it. Hey, what are you doing?
Telling the police there's a guy with a chainsaw chasing us.
Well, I'd rather take my chances with chainsaw back there than certain death with your distracted driving.
Are you serious? You know what? Just take it.
Hey, seatbelt.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, because flying through the windshield and ending up face down the pavement, paralyzed or brain dead, is so much better than getting chopped up into little pieces by that guy.
There, you happy now? Can we go? Can we escape?
It's hard to find safe and responsible drivers out on the road these days. Thank you and drive safe. We wouldn't want you to die.